Your ProPortion handheld dispenser comes with 3 color-coded valves and 6 portion tabs. Before assembling, be sure to clean and air dry all parts. Consult page 3 of the manual for cleaning instructions. Select your valve and ensure the valve slits are open by separating them with the tip of your finger. Fit the valve into the cover, making sure to push the shapes through the matching holes. Install the diverter onto the valve by lining up the matching shapes. Twist the assembled cover tightly onto the body. Insert the desired portion tab, reset the spring, and then press the spring cover into place. Press the seal onto the flat side of the piston, and then press the rod into the piston. Gently squeeze the handle until the portion tab clicks into place under the trigger. Pour the food into the body, being sure not to fill beyond the 750 milliliter line. Insert the piston at an angle into the filled body. When it reaches the food, level the piston so there is no space between the piston and the condiment. Press the rod release to lower the handle into the top of the body. Stop pressing when the handle falls into place, and twist until the handle locks into the closed position. For more information, visit ProPortionDispenser.com.